Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to this particular video. It's a great day. Congratulations to all of us. Our patience is paying up and has paid up, okay? Paid off, okay? Currently the price is sits at 0.1428, which is a 28.42% increment in the last week, which is remarkable. Okay, currently the market is testing a particular resistance point, and once it breaks it, we're heading to $0.2, which is great. Okay. If you expound this chart, you can see what actually happened. We had a doji this particular day, which symbolizes market indecision. Then we had a hammer here. Then we had a confirmation this next day, and the market rallied up to this particular point, which is great. For more information about this technical analysis, watch my previous video before this one. Okay, so let's move forward. In the market currently, our market capitalization currently sits at $17.47 million, which is a 12.08% increment. Our trade volume within the last 24 hours is $365,000, okay, which is a 12.74 decline from yesterday's 24 hours trade volume, but still remarkable. Our fully diluted volume is around $30.86 million, and our circulating supply is 122 million ALPH tokens. Our total supply sits at 216 million ALPH tokens. Okay, our website is still the same, alephium.org. Our white paper is still the same. If you want to know everything about our cryptocurrency Alephium, just head to the white paper. It will give you every information you need, including our core team members. Um, our smart contract address, every information, our vision, our philosophy, our history, our partnerships, everything are in the white paper, okay? So you can always head there to get information. It's currently available at alephium.org. And we have our social channels. We have our Twitter channel handle, which has about 51,000 followers. We have Reddit, we have GitHub, we have Facebook, we have Telegram, which is also extremely active, and Discord. Our Telegram channel has about more than 8,000 followers. And when you combine the different nationalities, we should be heading to around 12,000 members, okay, which is great. Okay, you can always go there to interact, um, ask your questions, give your contributions, get your clarifications. We have administrators that are there around the clock to answer your questions. Okay. Currently, our smart contract address is still the same. We are currently available at MetaMask, Trust Wallet, name it. And we have interoperability. That's we have successfully bridged our Alephium blockchain with Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. You can see it as evidenced here. Okay. Currently, our rating sits at 3.9 out of 5 stars, which is approximately 4 stars. Okay. Our Explorer, we have Etherscan, we have explorer.alephium.org. So if you have your transaction hash ID and you want to carry out a scan of it, you can just input it at the Explorer and you get your information firsthand. Okay. Information will be like a receipt, to carry out the timestamp, the amount amount of ALPH token that was sent, and in dollar equivalent, the amount of ALPH token that was received. If you received, the current price then when you sent it, the current price now, the gas fee that was spent, everything will be at the, at that will be given to you from the Explorer once you input your transaction hash ID, and that can serve as a receipt too. Okay, we're currently at different wallets. We have our own proprietary wallet, Alephium Solo Wallet, which is available in Google Play Store and App Store. We also have the desktop wallet that you can install on your Windows operating system or the Linux operating system. Just name it. So currently we have NFTs. NFT stand for non-fungible tokens. DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and smart contract addresses. These are our tags. Okay, so let's head to the market. I've been explaining that we have two types of markets. We have the centralized exchanges and the decentralized exchanges. The centralized exchanges are the markets where they are, the owners of the exchanges, let's say the officials and the core team of the exchanges, actually know who you are. They will carry out KYC verification. You have to submit, for example, your driver's license or your national identification card or your voter's card. Depends on what your country uses for identification. You have to submit it. So the exchanges actually know who you are. When you're signing up, you're going to sign up with your um, email address. Okay, so they know who you are. Centralized exchanges actually know who you are, but decentralized exchanges, you can trade anonymously. You just have to connect your wallet there and you start trading. So let's take a look at what has happened. Currently, Alephium token has done remarkably well in these last 4 years. We have been listed in the best of the best exchanges, and current negotiations are going on with other tier one exchanges. Okay, so currently I'll be explaining the exchanges we're listed in and also the market volume we've been able to achieve within the last 24 hours. So I have BitGet. We're able to trade around $56,000 approximately. We have Get.io. We're able to trade $63,000. We have MEXC. We're able to trade around $110,000 approximately. I have Bitmax. We're able to trade around $9,500. BitUnis $70,000. By Economy $15,000. By the way, By Economy is carrying out a kind of staking event where you can stake your ALPH tokens and earn passively 35% APR. Okay, which is a very good yield. We have CoinX, which are traded $4,500. We have Bivox, Bitrue. Okay, let's head to page two. In page two, we have non-KYC.io exchange, which are traded around $34,000, and Coinfinex, which are traded $50,506, which is remarkable. Okay, so let's head to the decentralized exchanges where we'll have Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SmartDex. If you sum up the volume of Uniswap, it should be approximately $40,000, and PancakeSwap is around $21,000. Okay, the liquidity is remarkable in Uniswap. So these are the centralized exchanges. So all these 24 hours volume I've explained constituted to give this $365,000 we achieved above. Okay, which is great for our currency. The news, we have various news that have been sprouted out on a daily basis. Okay, and we also have our community. Sorry, still loading up. The community is where you have people giving out their what they feel about the Alephium token, where we can interact, where we can make predictions. I already carried out my vote today, so I'm not going to be able to vote again. So currently our community sentiment sits at 88% and 12% negative. Okay, mind you, we're going to have a lot of haters now that the price is recovering. We have people that will be negative, but the positive always outweighs the negative for our Alephium token because we're doing remarkably well. Currently, this guy says, this user says, how are you guys doing today? As for me, my day is going great and happy because I bought some ALPH coin today and I want you guys to do the same. That's nice. Let me give him a thumbs up. Okay. Alephium's proof of work. Let me correct him. Proof of less work. Anyway, we're still proof of work, but we have modified it from Bitcoin's SAH32. We're using proof of less work consensus, which saves power supply and is also green. That's what I mean green. It's eco-friendly. So Alephium's proof of work, scalable and eco-friendly Alephium is a unique layer 1 blockchain that aims to solve the classic blockchain trilemma of balancing decentralization, security, and scalability. The list goes on. Currently, this one just gave a stats. Okay, Alephium, 24 hours. Let me give him a boost. We have 24 hours uptrend. Price is up by 11.61%, but currently it's 11.73. Clear upward staircase pattern, showing strong bullish momentum. That's great. So this is what it gets from the market sentiments. Once I click here, we're going to have more, users read what they wrote. And we have about Alephium. Alephium unites the best of both worlds: decentralized censorship, resistant security of proof of work, and UTXO. UTXO stands for unspent transaction, and the speed, scalability, and usability expected from modern smart contract. That's great. This is about Alephium. That's all about it here. This is Coinmarketcap, which is the #1 tracking website in the world, owned by Binance. So every information you get is authentic, classic, and name it. So that's basically it. Here you can compute. And let's say you want to buy 1,000 ALPH tokens. So I'll just press 1,000. And currently the price is $142. This is a great time to buy a Alephium token because our staking event is going to come up and the price is going to increase exponentially once that happens. So this is a good time to scoop some tokens in your bag. Okay. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Um, Feel free to ask any question in the comment section if you have one, or you can head to our Telegram group to ask questions. We have our administrators around the clock that will be able to answer your questions, or you can head to our Twitter handle to ask your questions, and our Alephium support will be glad to answer you. With that, that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and see you in the next one. Bye.